Hello everyone. Today I will be doing a late unboxing video of my Spider-Man costume. Halloween has already passed. This was my Halloween costume, Spider-Man. So here it is. I actually got gloves with it. But please don't leave so you can see the gloves. It actually came with muscles, which I kind of don't like. Let's go with the mask. Just the mask. Lay that down. And then the gloves. Where's one? Two. Wait, nope. Two. There we go. One glove is actually ripped. This one. Right there. Ah, dang. I can't get on video. This one is ripped. But here's gloves. I gotta put them upside down. Geez, can I get some light up in here? Or I'll be standing in the way. And now for the costume. I know you see a big lot of something, but that's custom. So I'm gonna take my shoes off real quick. That movie that you're hearing is Spider-Man. Not the Amazing, just Spider-Man. Very That's in 2015. My dad wouldn't let me get the Amazing Spider-Man 2 movie. He can't remember that. But we watched that in the theater. He can't remember. So just put this on. I'm gonna go outside so you guys can see. I've been looking up Spider-Man Blackfoot tutorials, and I couldn't get it. I fell on my face like every time I did it. It was pretty hard, so I just gave up. And I know I have a mullet, but to be honest, it does keep me warm in the winter, which is November, so yeah. So it's pretty cold in the nights. Kind of like I'm a squirrel and I'm hibernating. Kind of weird, so. Now let's get the back. I cannot reach one part. So, you see that one part, just ignore it. That part we can. And then now I can never get that it unbuttons anyways every time. Jeez. Okay. We've got that. So now it's just putting the mask. It's not hard to tuck it in, but it is hard to keep it tucked in. Very hard. Like it'll slip out. So I'm gonna try to tuck it pretty good for you guys. Now for the gloves. These are the Amazing Spider-Man 2 gloves, costume, everything. So if you can't really see it good. But you probably can't because it's trying to move this in my light. I'm just gonna take this outside. Bruh. So let's go take this outside. So, let's sit on this trash can. Yeah, I think that would be a good idea. Let's just set this on the trash can. Wait, I'm gonna need to, oh well. No. We're gonna have to lower it about, seriously, stupid camera. Stay up, camera, stay up. So this is what it look like. Try to move it down a little. Try moving it down right here. Does that work? Yeah, here we go. Let's try zooming in, guys. Seriously, loves. Seriously, you're seriously gonna try to make me. Okay, so got this. Got that. No back spider. So, please like and subscribe. I'd be really happy if you guys did that. And bye.